Candy. The Board of Advocacy could have a not at large and vote for an individual for each seat. You are running and promoting yourself as having a partner. Why are you running and promoting yourself as having a partner? Also, you indicated to the public that they must vote for both of you. Why are you running this way?
I am running with Joe Levesque because I talked to Joe Levesque and he has the same goals, the same ideas that I have. I believe that he is qualified to be on the board with me. I believe that we ran together so that they would show that there was some unity, that there is unity among people running for school board. You will see that 90% of the signs are Tanya has a sign, Mr. Thompson has a sign, which people are believing in both of their opinions also. So we decided together that we think that we would be a good team, that we would have the same goals, we have the same objectives, but we do disagree on quite a few different items. So I decided to tag with him because I thought it was in his best interest and my best interest.